Yep. Let's look up there. See that? Then it trips down into this plate. It's just beyond believable. Wow. Oh boy. What the hell? I mean, oh my gosh. Ford, you totally screwed up in this design to change the oil. Total joke. You gotta take down this plate over here. So now they have to take the freaking wheel off. Unbelievable. Yep. Engineers. Alright, so let's pop the hood. All the damn cars I have, where the hell is the thing? I don't even know. Right here? I think it is. Yeah. How do I keep track, right? I mean, sincerely, it just doesn't end. So you pop the hood here. You'd think you'd have put the freaking thing up top here. I mean, why haven't they got a freaking canister up here? And look what they've done. This is the pandemic model. No engine cover. They got all the little screws here for you to put your studs in to make it work. What oil change body right? That's what I thought, right? Did the AutoZone guy steer me wrong again? Yeah. Yes, right now, I'm going to have to get my jack out and jack this frickin' thing up to change the frickin' oil. This is just beyond unbelievable. Quit your whine. Quit your frickin' whine. Get the frickin' work. I hear ya. Yes, I will. All right. So, wow. You're telling me I got to take this front driver's side wheel off? I mean, I don't know. I saw something like a month ago on change oil for this truck. I bought the whole oil change kit. I've been too damn busy doing too many things to get this truck. But as far as I know, I'm pretty sure you got to take that front driver's side wheel off. If I have any brains, I'll probably do a YouTube check and check that, right? Great truck, the Ford Ranger Tremor truck. I really do like this package, but my wife's driven the heck out of it, actually. My wife's put how many miles this thing? Like, where does it even tell you? 9,400 miles. Wow, I've barely driven this damn thing. Anyways, all right, watch this entertainment, right? Is it entertainment time? Where the heck's my girl, my daughter, to be the mechanic to help do this? What are you doing? She's riding horses. Yeah, having fun. What am I doing? Taking care of cars. Yeah, I know. I need an oil change. Who's ever heard of such a ridiculous thing? You need to take the front wheel off? I mean, really? Am I right about that? Hey, what do you think I do all weekend long? You're following my channel, and you don't even see all the cars that I have. You just see some of them. Uh-oh. There's a UPS guy. These guys will start going nuts. Yeah, what do you think I do on the weekends? Look, truck, car. There's even more vehicles over there. You can't even see the Mustang. There's other vehicles that aren't even here, and have other vehicles in other places. Yeah, so what do you think I do in my life, huh? Yeah, the internal combustion engine age. Yeah, I don't know about the service and maintenance age. That's what I do. I take care of my fleet for the most part. Yeah, electric vehicle. What do you do with that thing besides put air in its tires and rotate them? That's about it. All right, follow me along on our next adventure of the Ford Ranger oil change. Even I've never done one of those. Wow. And another freaking project. Who would ever imagine you have to take the tire off your vehicle to change the oil? Is this the most stupidest ass idea in the world? This Ford Ranger, you have to take the front left tire off to get to the oil filter. All right, so now you take and you just spin this up. See that? That's pretty cool. Alright, now I'll just catch a good part of the frame here. Try to get it kind of flat surface there for us. Yeah. I don't like that. Alright, so about like right there. That'll be alright. So we just jack it up. Okay. See here? Alright, we got it. I'm going to leave this attached. But you can take this, you can disconnect this. This thing actually releases, and then it just pulls out, and then you can just get out of your way. I don't want to do that. I'm not going to run this thing locks up or something. But now I'm ready to take my gun out and pop the tire off. I'm going to drain the oil first. All right, well, I'm resorting to I'm going to take this pan off. I got the tools to do it. And people are saying you don't have to take the wheel off. I got it jacked up, but I'm going to explore that after I get done changing the oil here. A little bit of a project. That's called job security for these tech guys that change oil in cars. It ain't as simple as you think it is, right? So, all right. So now this is just so much more clean. Got the plate out of the way. Now I can put my oil pan up underneath here, and I'm not going to be thinking of my oil dripping all over in my garage or driveway after it sits in that little tray all the time. There she blows. We hit the oil well. How about that? I got the right one. Got the right area, right? There's so much technology in these trucks anymore. You think, is that the oil pan? Is that the transfer case? Is that the battery pack? All right. So, it looks like we unscrew these little fittings, and it looks like that oil filter, you just can't see it, can you? I know my light's not doing a very good job. Let me pull this flap back. I got the tire still on because some people are weighing in on my shorts video saying you don't have to take the tire off. Alright, so I'm unscrewing these little things and putting some leverage on it. Just have little screws to expand the fitting without destroying it. Yeah, I guess if you jack the truck up, that's your advantage, so there you go. There she is, pull back the flap, bing bam done, right? I don't know about that. Get my hand in there, yikes. Oh boy, I don't have a freaking filter wrench. I'm having to use a damn strap. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, so the oil has drained. In there. We're gonna plug that back up, and then we're gonna push this pan over the tire so I can get the oil filter off. Alright, got my lens cleaned back up. So tight, no oil drips, no oil. That's the thing, if you let oil drip all over this stuff, the next morning you're gonna walk out and think your car's had an oil leak. So just make sure you get all the damn oil. Now I'm gonna put this plate back on and make some more progress here. Alright, plate's back on. Now let's get this oil pan kind of over the general area. I think it's gonna start dripping. Let's go back up top, see if any luck. All right, I had to get very creative on this. Luckily, I've got a ratchet that can adjust, because otherwise you hit this inner fender well. So I got her. So pretty cool how I kind of finagled all this right here, but I got her spinning, so we're good to go. All right, see that? It's got its own little like drip line there. It ends up dripping down there. See it or not? Pretty cool. Man, we're making headway. Didn't have to take off the tire, but jacking the truck up definitely helped. That's for sure. Man, oh man, I tell you what. So, AutoZone, I feel like those guys are a bunch of yo-yos. See a yo-yo here? Hey, AutoZone, you got yo-yo employees. The Ranger truck takes like 5.7 quarts of motor oil. The guy sold me 5. And then he sold me the wrong filter. Just, oh my God. I gotta make sure that ain't the case. I just went and lined them up just to be doubly sure. But damn, that oil is dirty. Yikes. Okay, time to put the filter on, wipe down the base there on it, and then put my nice lubricated oil filter on. Making a headway here. All right, just nice and tight. Get a good, just get it sealed down, give it a good twist so it's solid. All right, now let's put back the cover here, and she'll be good to go. Give the little screws out, and we should be all right. Or are we all right? There you go. Okay, she's all buttoned back up. Now it's time to go up top here. and start putting oil in. And to make my life a little easier, I think I'll lower the truck back down. So that was cool. That worked out well. We hope. Let's let the unit down here. And so what's so cool about this unit here, I'll show you now. See this lever right here? When you pull this, see it pulls back, and it releases from that, so you get this whole jack out of the way. It's pretty cool. Then you just slide it back in, and then it'll grab again to take it. See there? Isn't that neat? This is a Craftsman jack, right? I wonder if they even make these things anymore. So you can get like multiple of these things, so you can do your whole car. You get like 4 of these. You can go around and you set each one, then you release it with this pin here, and then you load another one and go to another part of your car. It's really cool. It's a really good idea. So anybody out there looking for it, I don't think you can buy it. I have no idea. Okay, time to add the 5W30 synthetic, and I'm going to need about a half a quart more, I think. Well, I tell you, it's something how to think this is going to be so archaic. I mean, you go 50 years from now, they'll be like, what is this? I mean, sincerely, just incredible how the future of all these vehicles is going to have a battery in it. Just beyond unbelievable. Oh, my goodness. All right, the moment of truth. Let's start up the truck and see what happens as she goes kaboom, right? Kaboom. All right, so we'll have to go to the engine reset. Oh, hoodage, I know that. Okay, gotcha. All right, let's go to engine oil life and hold it and see what happens. There you go. We love that, and I'll make a note of the mileage and make a sticker for myself. I'll also check the level. Always like to look below, make sure nothing's leaking. You never know, forget something or whatever, so it's good. All right, I think we did all right. Boy, I tell you, it's so dirty. It's just incredible how dirty that oil is. So I guess I pushed this thing further than I should. I can't remember. The wife's been driving the heck out of it. All right, now we'll take the used oil and we'll put it in that container for recycling. How about that idea? Hey, thanks for watching Ice Age TV. Hope this video helps you change your oil in your new Ford Ranger 19, 20, 21, 22. They're all the damn same. 2.3 motor. Take a little over 5. They took over a little bit 5 quarts. And yeah, so I hope this helps you. But for right now, without jacking this truck up, yeah, you can definitely get in here, but it's definitely it's going to be tighter. I mean, I can see how you can do it. So you don't really have, I don't think you have to really, I don't think you need to jack it up. But having it jacked up is nice, just to be able to work underneath the truck and everything. But if you don't have a jack, I think you can make it work. And maybe you turn the wheel. Didn't even think about that. But anyway, thanks for watching Ice Age TV. What's the next project? Oh, I have projects all the time for these cars. But that's my passion and my love of my addiction to my cars. So stay tuned for more adventures and hit subscribe. And we will see each other soon again. Thanks for watching.